Welcome back. Today I have another organization video for you guys. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my linen closet, and this video is also in collaboration with MrsPazStyle. If you guys haven't seen her channel yet, I'll make sure to leave her link down in the description box. She does vlogs and clean with me's. So yeah, so we decided to collab together and to get this video out to help you guys get inspired, maybe even start early spring cleaning. So we're gonna get started on my linen closet, but before we get started, I just wanted to say, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jessica, aka JessicaJoyXo. I'm 28 years old and I do everything from vlogs and mom life. I have a little boy who is 17 months old. He's my little toddler and he demands 100% of my attention. I'm also a wife and I'm also a full-time student, guys. I'm going back to school. So it is hard getting things done around the house. I was so behind on my laundry room, so behind on my linen closet, but you know, sometimes I'm up till 3, 4 o'clock in the morning getting work done. As long as I get something done, I feel accomplished and I could sleep later. I literally run on maybe 6 to 7 cups of coffee a day. As you can tell, like my shirt, it's just like I love coffee. So without further ado, guys, let's get started on this organization video.
Oh my gosh, guys, so this is so embarrassing for you guys to see, but while I was cleaning my linen closet, one tip that I could tell you is that I started doing a little donation pile on the side, and that really helped me figure out what I needed, what I didn't need. I gave away old blankets and old pillows that we had for years, so that's probably one thing that if you do decide to do your linen closet is to have a trash bag nearby and start donating the things that you don't need. But first, let's have a drink of coffee before we tackle this mess. So I bought this really big bin organizer at Big Lots, and I believe it was $10, and that's where I put in all my different blankets. I just rolled them up, and I believe like around 8 of them fit in here. So I bought some other smaller ones to put my pillowcases and my baby's blankets and stuff, and I just started moving things around to see where it all looked best. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this organization slash clean with me video. I hope it guys motivated you and inspired you to clean out your linen closet. If you guys do decide to do this, I would love to see your before and after, so go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. So until my next video guys, I send all my love and all my kisses. Mwah. Bye.